Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Tanisha and I make videos on beauty, fashion and makeup. So recently I uploaded a video with this look and I got a lot of comments from you people and even so many DMs like how I created this look. So I thought, why not create a YouTube video for this look. So here I am with this look and I'll show you which product I used to create this look and how I created this look. Also, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram account, then there is a link in the description. Go and follow me. I am very regular with my Instagram content and I make content on makeup and fashion, so go and follow me over there. Anyways, without further ado, I guess we should get into the video. I'm gonna start with my eye makeup first. So firstly I'm gonna prime my lids. Next I'm gonna apply concealer on my lids. So the product that I'll be using today are these pigments. These are the neon pigments, the loose ones, and they are not water activated. And I told you before on my Instagram also, and I'm telling you again, these are not easy to use. You need a lot of practice to use these pigments. So we'll use these ones today to do that look. So the first color that I used was this orange color. So let's put on this color first. Next color that I used was this neon one. Next I used this blue color. After that I just mixed this purple and this pink color together. So this was the exact look that I created. Now I'll do the same thing on my this eye and then we'll start with the base makeup. So this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna do the lower part. So I'll use this color and a black kajal. So this was the eye look that I created. Now I'm going to do the base makeup. So for that, firstly I'll apply some primer. Next I'll use a light shade concealer. Now I'll start putting on my foundation. Now I'll set this concealer and foundation. Till it sets, let's do the contouring and blush part. So guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you guys like this look. Also, I have linked my Instagram account in the description below. So don't forget to follow me over there. And that's it. So do like this video and subscribe my channel for more such videos. So we'll meet in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.